Hi friends, so again we are here with a new practice set. So in this practice set what we have is we have Forbes world's billionaire list and we have to work on that. Okay, so what we are doing is again to access our data set we are importing NumPy and pandas. So just random thing, np.version will return me the version of np, that what version we are using, and pd version will also return the version of pd. Now it is asking that read the csv file into a data frame and display the first 5 rows. So first we will read the csv. Again I'll share all those csv that are being used in our practice set in the description. If anything missing there, kindly comment below. And in this way we are getting the head value. Now it is asking that name the top 8 industries with maximum count of billionaire. Okay, so to access that what we are doing is we are using group by. So we are grouping the variable based on industries. Okay, and the name should be unique in that group by function, and these values should be shortened based on name and it should be in descending order. So in this way it will give me the top 8 industries with maximum count of billionaires. Now what we are doing is we are getting the top 8 billionaires name, right? So to do that we are again accessing our data frame industry name and asking that okay, just we need unique values, right? And we are resetting the index, then we are sorting values based on name, again in descending order. So this way this will give me the number of position, okay, and the industry's name of those billionaires, okay, where they are residing. So these are the name I'll have. Now to get only these values, right, the finance investment or we can the industries value, what we are doing is we are accessing 0 to 8. Okay, this is for row, and 0 to 1 column. So I'll get 7 rows in this way and 1 column. Now it is asking that state the head count of billionaires from these top 8 industries. To get that head count, again as in df top 8 we have a total 8 billionaires, so it will return all the head count. Now compare the mean of net worth of billionaires from these top 8 industries. To compare the net worth, what we can do is first we will create a new data frame for storing the value of only those 8 industries with the maximum billionaires. So to get that we will read the data frame, okay, and the column should be our df column, okay, and these are in our new data frame. Now we are running all those industries in a loop, and which will return the most number of billionaires. Okay, so for I in df top 8 the column should be in industries, and now we are subsetting the original data frame with these industries. Okay, so the value should be equals to I, and again we are appending the subset into new data frame created in the last step. So it will return the list where these value will get appended in the data frame. So if we run the data frame, so it will give me the value in this way. Next what we are doing is we are checking the unique values in our industry. So these are the unique value that all the 8 billionaires are residing in this company. Okay, and what we are doing is we are getting the net worth of those billionaires, okay, and we are printing their industries with net worth. So to do that again we are running it into a loop, and we are printing the average net worth of the billionaire of the industry is I will get from the industry column, and the net worth will be this value. So this will be industries equals to I, and it will return me the net worth of mean. So if we access this column, then this will return the net worth mean of those billions, I mean in the billions value. So if we print the net worth of the billionaires from these industries is round, if we round off the value for all the billions, so it will return the round off value. Now compare the mean age of billionaires from these top 8 industries. So to get the mean age, again we simply use mean function, but where we are printing that the average of the billionaires of the industry, the name of the industry will get printed here from these industries, okay, and the mean value will get from the industries equals to I. This is the condition. Then get the mean of age. Okay, so now it is asking the mean age of billionaires from these industry is the total mean value in years. Okay, so now it is asking name the richest billionaire in the automotive sector. Yeah, of course, only one name that would be coming into your mind is Mr. Musk. So what we will do is we get the unique function first. Based on that unique function, it will return all the column, all the values in that industries column. Now we know that it is in automotive sector, so we are saying that if industry is automotive, then sort the value based on net worth, and it should be in descending order. Okay, so descending means the higher value will be at the top. So this will give me Elon Musk description. Now it is printing that the richest billionaire in automotive sector is Mr. Musk. Okay, with the net worth of the amount that is in the data set. Now name top 5 countries with maximum number of billionaires. Again, to name top 5 countries based on the billionaires means we will group by the country based and the name should be unique. Okay, we are resetting the index and sorting the value based on name which is in descending order, and we just need top 5 values. So we will use head function there, and we can also get the same based on 0 to 5 for rows. Okay, which will return me of course 5 rows, and 0 to 1 for column, which will return me the 1 column. Now it is asking which amongst these top 5 countries have the lowest mean age of billionaires. So to get the lowest age mean, we can extract it in this way, like in the column should be a country, and it will also get the mean age. So what we are doing is we are creating a new data set. Right now we are telling that okay, just run a loop, okay, in the df top 5 country, okay, and the mean should be stored in the mean variable, right, and we are printing it. Okay, after printing that, we are also storing these value in the mean age df, that is our newly created data frame. Okay, so this will print that and store that, where we are also ignoring the index. Okay, now we are sorting the value in this mean age df, and sorting the value based on mean age again in descending order, and we just need only one value. So China is the top country that have the lowest mean age of billionaires, right? So the country which has the lowest mean age amongst these top 5 countries with maximum number of billionaires is of course China, with an average age of this much of years. Now name the richest Chinese billionaires and his net worth. Again, to access these, what we can do is we are telling that okay, the country is a China. Okay, this is the condition. Sort the value based on net worth, again in descending order, right? And we need only first value. Okay, and the value should be at 0th and 1 position, right? Now the net worth of this person is equals to, again we are passing a condition, that is country is China, sort value based on net worth, which is in descending order. Again give me the head, and now this time I want that at second position because the value is second position. So this is 0th row and second column, and it will return the amount in billions. Now name top 5 industries with maximum number of Indian billionaires. To get the 5 industries, we are checking the condition with India, grouping the value based on industries, okay, and names. Now it will return the unique, right? There is no redundancy, and we are resetting the index and then sorting the values based on name, and the ascending should be the order should be in descending order. Okay, so if we check in India, so we have these 5, that is healthcare, manufacture, diversified technology, and food and beverage. So if we print that the top 5 industries with maximum number of billions are the following. and which is the head of this list. So here we are getting the print statement as well and the condition with our data frame. So it will again check the condition India with country, right? Then grouping the name, okay, with the industries and getting the unique name and resetting the index. Okay, then sorting the value in those reset index based on name, and again the order is in descending order, and we just need only 5 rows. I mean 5 rows and 1 column. Name all the Indian billionaires in global top 100 list. So to access that, what we are doing is we are telling that okay, the sort value should be based on net worth, right? And the ascending order is false. Okay, so first it will give me the top 100, right? Now we are checking the condition in top 100, that country should be India. Okay, and also print the name of these person. So it will check the condition and print the name, then return the value. So these are the top 2 families, we can say. Name all the billionaires in the India who are younger than 50 years. Also state their mean net worth. To get that, we are checking the country, that should be India, and now after the country we are checking the condition that age should be greater than 50, and we want to get their name values. Okay, so it will return all the name of those person, right, which are under age of 50 but billionaires. Now we are printing the average net worth of Indian billionaires, right? So it will return the average. So to do that, all those less than 50 years of age, we need their net worth and the mean value. Now it is asking the name the Indian billionaires from the real estate sector who are richer than Donald Trump. It is nothing but an entry in our data set. So let's check this condition. So first we are accessing this column that has Donald Trump value, right? Then we are checking that okay, in the Indian billionaires, check the Indian billionaires industries should be real estate. So in that, all the Indian billionaire real estate would be there, and again we are checking that okay, the net worth should be greater than Donald Trump, right? And return me their values. So it will return me all those value which net worth is greater than that particular condition. Now we are printing that the Indian billionaires from real estate industries who are richer than the person Donald Trump and are this person. Okay, so this will return both the values. So in this way we can also write them separately in the print statement. Okay, where we are checking that okay, net worth should be greater than the Donald Trump and value should be 03, and the ILOC that we are accessing the particular column is nothing but at 0 and 1. All right, and the column is nothing but 1. Okay, and the value we want is 00 residing there, and Indian billionaires, again we are checking the net worth with the Donald Trump to get the second value. So this will return me both the names separately. Now it is asking what is the total cumulative net worth of all billionaires. So to get this cumulative net worth, we simply use sum function, okay, in the net worth column. So if we do that, so this is the total cumulative net worth in our data set.